Good morning, everyone. My book is done. It's right there. All the work I've done since I was in high school. And it's available for you hardcover or paperback. It's one or the other. Okay? It's 147 pages worth of art. But even within those pages, there's a lot of sketches and stuff like that. So here you guys go. My whole life. I appreciate all the subscribers, everyone that encourage me and follow me. I appreciate that. This is all for you guys. So thank you very much. You reignited something inside again that my caricature thing was over. My enthusiasm for it and all of those things. It's almost like a big yearbook of my whole life. And I found something in there after looking through it. I probably do a video on that, but I think I'm going to approach my caricature going forward very differently after seeing this book. If you guys have any questions about any of the pages, let me know. I'd love to make a video on it. If anybody wants to talk to me about it, hit me up. Without further ado, there's the book. Hope you guys enjoy it. Oh, yeah, and the big differences between the both, just material. This is a hardcover, and the other one's paperback. That's it. And the pages, one of them is like high quality colored page. The other one's like matte. That's it. That's why I got it down the cheapest that I possibly can. Okay. Well, see you guys. Thank you.